Okay, well this is just a very quick update showing the skies here on Sunday, February the 20th, 2022. This all started about, I don't know, 11 o'clock in the morning. We started seeing the haze blowing in, and right now there's a massive moisture field coming in off of the Pacific right now. And it's all being sprayed over. It should be pouring rain right now here in Southern California. Pouring rain right now. So far in February, we've had 0.17 inches of rain. 0.17 inches, and that happened on Tuesday. This last Tuesday, we had a little bit of rain. Other areas had a lot of hail. Other areas had a lot of wind and hail. And out in the valleys, just a minimal amount of rain. But take a look at the satellite maps. We're going to try to get another update later showing the maps, the satellite maps, the water vapor and the long wave IR map, showing the trend and why we should be pouring rain. We're going to show all that. Okay, that's it for now.